Good morning, good afternoon. This na Emmanuel. Today na the 20th of February this year 2021. I would like for use this day as opportunity for talk to Sierra Leoneans them way they live at home and Sierra Leoneans them way they live now the diaspora. We all don't see the gross violation of the SLPP government into the lives of our peaceful and harmless Sierra Leoneans them way they live na Kailang district. And we all don't see the killing of that young gentleman at the very Kailang district there because the APC come out for rally or the APC come out for people come and rally with the APC when I've been there on time for rally at the very Kailang day. This is very bad and this is very sad. My concern about this particular thing that I want to go we all back into a memory lane. When the Ernest Bai Koroma been there into administration, never in the history of that country, its four cardinal points, east, west, north, and south, its region, we don't ever hear you say the SLPP don't come out for rally, the APC or people them come out and stop them, say no, let them know our police go beat them. Never in the history that not ever happened. They were doing so in free will, in free mind, that they express their democratic and civic rights in that country when the APC was in administration. But when you get a failed governance system, you get a president way, for me I always consider, say he's a reckless person. These are the things that way they happen into the lives of, in people them way they govern or in people them way they rule. How on earth APC go come out for rally? Police go, they aid the SLPP, they pump tear gas on the people them, they beat the people them till it lead to the death of that young gentleman. But again, the hypocrite way Sierra Leoneans them, we will they play into some of them things here where they happened. It's very bad. And this hypocrite way will they play. And then things here where SLPP they do so, believe it me, this now a recipe for a national chaos in that country. You know, I don't get doubt or I don't get fear for say this. Things that like this way they happen, there will be time when the people go say, you know what, enough of this nonsense. Then there comes in now what happened in Kigali, Rwanda in 1994 will be the same thing we go come saloon and it go pass that one day we go happen now in country. People don't suffer a lot of pain. People don't suffer a lot of torture, a lot of agony, a lot of conflict. Separation this government don't put into the lives of the people. They don't suppress the people a lot in that country. But the people them still endure, the people them still they bear. They still choose faith over all those things them way they do them. But there will be a time when the people go left with no option but for come out and say enough is enough, and there comes in genocide, and there comes in waiting happen at Kigali, Rwanda, we go pass waiting go happen in the Republic of Sierra Leone. No doubt about it. Today, police personnel them no say then thing where they happen, they are inciting things. Then thing go create chaos for the country. And me and you to know say this thing a recipe of war. This is a recipe of national chaos. The police know this. But when people like we begin for talk, call things by their names, say the things in factuality or in the actual sense, that is be the time, or that will be the time when police go begin come out say, then guy are waiting at the diaspora, they not mean well for this country, then they incite citizens them back home for their war. But when now the very person them where they incite conflict in the country, where they aid the SLPP for go around and perpetrate violence into the lives of our people with that reckless person we go by the name Madabio. Now very they do this. When they stimulate war, when they stimulate conflict in that country. But up till now, when I not get the sense, the knowledge, no they una say, wait till they do so enough fine. Then they tomorrow will bring a national or civil unrest in that country. And police, I don't always tell una say, whenever we they get national unrest, we they get civil conflicts in that country. Now they suffer past all because of una stupidity. Now they suffer past all. And I don't tell Sierra Leonean them this, more especially those with the home. If people they into service form say these people, they are the state security apparatus. We for protect me and you too, for protect our properties, to protect our lives into the internal affairs of that country. Then they fail for do so. That will leave me with no option. Me, Emmanuel, I dey prepare a defensive weapon at any situation, at any circumstance, where anything go one come, wey go be endangerment to my life, wey go be a bodily harm to me, my person. I will prepare that thing to defend myself. I don't tell you now always this. The police can no longer defend you. The police can no longer protect you. I don't tell Sierra Leone and then DC. Prepare yourself a defensive tools, a defensive weapon. As long as you don't use that weapon for go cause havoc to person, but you prepare that weapon, say me, like me, Emmanuel, I prepare this weapon to protect myself. Because the state apparatus, the state police, will for protect me, then they do them. Now then back they turn around, aid the governance or the party where they into governance with in people them, in talks them, for can perpetrate violence in my life, or for can do a bodily harm to me. I will left with no option but for protect myself. And prepare those weapons for protect myself. As long as I don't use them for go cause harm to other person, but for protect myself, I will do it. Look, that young gentleman, some couple of months ago, last year or year before last, by the name of Ali Foster. That guy was gunned down now in leg up till now. We don't know that boy did. Whether they Pademba Road is still they exist or not still, we don't know in way about. Me don't know in way about. If you know in way about, okay. But me don't know in way about. Up till now as I talk to now. The guy then they do things now the country, then they go away free with them things here so where they do. Since the international community, UN, don't ask them for an inquest, for investigating things that all where they happen at the country. The killing Nara Tonko Limba where they begin camp, Tonko Limba my 91 up till now. We just see the thing they escalate, and these things are things them for national, chaos. These are recipe for make we go get a national conflict in that country, make we go get a war. But when the SLPP can always live or govern as a warmonger party, they not go ever able to govern that country without one or the other country and kill people. For goodness sake, people them they na kailang. Then come out the gladi. Now then time for say okay now we time this for campaign, now we time this for rally. Then una say people enough for Gloucester, people enough for crowd. Lord my God. Yesterday when Forces Day or Armed Forces Day, we saw in a video the president, some military personnel without masks. Then they go salute him, then they go dance before him, then they drag belly and ground. We saw it. They were clustered together, they were grouped together. The president was there, Grace Mugabe was there, even in the reckless Bingo Boy Mada bill. They were there together, then clustered together. And we don't see from where this corona come. The first person will set example. Now the president will go host a party in a state lodge. We don't see where they come, people and they go crowd behind and they go welcome them. You get to set an example for you before. But look, Sierra Leonean, this is the time, including we were in the diaspora, our brothers and sisters them were in the diaspora. If we say would they keep this game of hypocrisy, would they play this game, we continue the playing and we dive into it, we could go back to that country. We're not going to meet with loved ones then. We're not going to meet with friends, with relatives then. We're not going to meet even immediate people them in that country. This government could succeed for kill them all because we are hypocrites. Trust me. This government want to implement the same system where Museveni implement na Uganda panda po Chagulani Bobby Wine. The guy win the elections. But what Museveni did was this. He hid behind the closet of this corona. He hid behind the closet of this corona. Are we ready, Sierra Leonean, to watch this reckless government of SLPP with the reckless Pico Boy Mada bill? They hide behind the closet of corona or behind the sleeves of corona and suppress the lives of our people. Remember, we can't go into elections and then things here and not begin come up with the things they are. Are we going to allow that to happen? And this bring me memory for call the people's representatives head na parliament we na Cherno Majuba. We can't go into this election, Cherikuko. We go into this election 2023. It's behind the corner. Next year, we go into councillors and mayors and chairpersons elections in that country. Now, Cherno Majuba, let's look at this. If today the SLPP reckless government with the bingo boy are going or scotting free with all their deeds them with nobody that they hold them one thing, but then they hide behind the sleeves of this corona. But when our people come out for go rally, for go demonstrate, show those civic rights for their party, that would be the time when Madabio with in junta fellow them, they go around, they beat people them to the killing way don't begin happen now in election business. This is not fresh one. When I say don't begin happen now, this one don't begin happen now. Now the second, where you get the first half, the second half. Now in this now, so second half killing don't begin happen again. We can't go into the elections. What would be the outcome of that election? And the vast majority Sierra Leoneans believe in the APC. This is a way to coil down the APC. This is a way to make sure they rig that election, and we not for allow SLPP at no cost for hide behind the sleevelet of Corona in that country. We should not allow them. At all not Cherno Majuba. We should not allow them. Because if you begin for ask the Stina Parliament, you begin for calling attention there. This for me, now something we are just say like I put to you, Mr. Cherno. Now, we get the NEC officer, we na the national returning officer, we na the boss, the chairperson for NEC. We can't go into that election. This Corona day, we don't know when it they done. They say they will learn for live with them as an endemic or pandemic. Now that one the United Nations tell we, WHO, you understand? Now that one the World Health Organization tell we, okay. Now they are the medical practitioners, them we sabi. Now they are the great physicians, them or whatever they might call themselves. But what we are consider about this is our country. Today, this president with a reckless talk, them don't begin hide behind the closet of Corona. And there are pictures where we see the chief minister, the person where na Numa, where na the government minister na parliament or the government person na parliament, they dance together, then cluster together without no face masks. But when people come out, say for go rally, when at APC time, then when they don't rally free, then go around, begin for beat people, begin for kill people. It is a shame and disgrace. And they talk to now with pain in my heart. For like we see a sitting government where they rope for them for come into governance system without no gun sound. Today, don't turn in young people them now the country to displace. We all don't see that video. People from Kailan, they took them, bundle them, they run, they go inside bush. For Christ's sake. Does the international community know about the Sierra Leoneans? Would they say, oh, the international community? Instead of that, the international community is applauding them. They have people. How dare they applaud the idiots they are? Does they know? And the international community will never intervene into that country unless, I repeat, the international community will never intervene into that country unless they don't see blood they flow in the country. That will be the time the international community will intervene, and they will not intervene with a maximum aid. It will be a little aid where they will come in with another country. Look at Uganda. It's up to 70 or 60 people will die in Uganda because the President Museveni, they hide behind the closet of Corona. After they don't kill people, now they tend to go meet even the fellow winner Chagulani, Bobby Wine, we win the election. European Union, then go meet and begin talk nonsense with them. Then go meet Museveni, go begin talk nonsense with Museveni. What was the outcome? It's pumping. Are we ready, Sierra Leoneans? We've been called today from the diaspora for buy those bags of rice. Are we ready? Waiting manifest itself into that Kailan scene. The thing don't manifest itself, say, SLPP is coward. The guy's a coward. This government, now a coward government, this. They don't see the loss. I always say this to comrade members. Let's keep the unity. Let we maintain the peace in the party. If we maintain that peace in the party, it's strength. If we maintain the peace in the party, it's force. That one day they boost with formidableness, excess. We I'll accept now one big breeze shake, no matter what kind of a tornado come. It cannot move us. We not go, then get that ball way, then kick 2010 and South Africa, say waiting Javelani. We cannot move, we cannot wave. We go to the right direction at it's a Tolombo. If we maintain the unity, we go directly to Tolombo. This is the first time in the history of that country we see people from Kailaun, they grab in that maximum number, they support, they come out, they rally for dance for the APC. Where APC not in governance. They're not afraid. Say, these guys, they are not in governance. Then guys are not into governance system. But what thing they happen? How they can get this kind of support and kind of people in the rally for them? So then they use that one day for, boil the people in mind, disturb the people in concept. It's bad. It's really sad. But we should not give up on it. Now, this I can tell people. So we must go to Kailaun. We must go there. We must go to Bo. We must go to Kenema. These places should not be exceptional to we. Not in the history say APC no they win vote na Kailaun. Not in the history say APC no they win vote na Kenema or Bo or Moyamba or Pujong. It's because of this thing where they say, no, na SLPP na them Bokude. We should go there. And now the people of Kailaun don't begin manifest that. See, the APC is more welcome na Kailaun than what the APC because they don't fail. SLPP don't fail them. It's a disgrace. Let tell you now what happened. When I remember there was a video where Mother Biogo talk na Kailaun say, APC no do nothing there. You understand? Because that time if you don't smoke with zombie, where Grace Mugabe gam. If you don't smoke up, then create everybody in pubic hair, then gam is smoke. So at the end of the day, that one they knock him brain. They can go talk that nonsense na Kailaun. But the disgraceful part where come, we say, I mean, no can tell them people I say APC no do nothing I ask. But the people then don't come out now saying, you know what, with a dance and rally and support the APC, and this we candidates now begin this name we want. That one they don't bring torment now in life. Say, you know what, let we go out and begin for beat them. They don't send them dog because the police are their puppets. They don't send their puppet them. Say, when I go beat them, when I go drive them. Now they don't render the people vulnerable. They don't render the people useless in their own place. They don't violate the people them constitutional right. Don't render the people as displaced also. The people them don't go na bush. Only God knows now waiting will happen to them people them they are they not Sierra Leoneans. They don't get the right for support a political party where they want for support. They don't get the right for get a candidate when an APC. But when una dey come na them put local, una dey come na them Cambia, una dey come na them McKinney, Freetown, una dey rally freely, una dey do everything freely. These are the side where APC they get huge votes. These are the side where APC they get the maximal, number, the numerical vote where APC they pull yonder. Where somebody go say, okay, according to political geographic looks or political demographic looks, yana belong to the APC. But una they come there, una they rally freely, una they do everything what una want for today. Nobody know they make a single blood drop of una persons them. But when people begin for go now in our Kailaun, now them burnt una the old people, they beat them, kill people, turn people to displace in their own country, Sierra Leonean. Now always I can tell una say, Madabio, na a reckless bingo boy. He's a very reckless man. He not go say thing about this thing we don't happen na Kailaun. People they don't run go na bush. Police don't come, don't run after them because APC they right. They are coward. They don't say APC is taking the move. APC is taking the country. But lastly, I want to leave we all with this. To comrade members, sympathizers, well-wishers of the party, and to the executive wing of the party. I see a comrade by the name of Sylvanus Kouma Jr., where many people can say, what a man. I see a project in candidacy out, Nakono, for the position of the National Organizing Secretary of the Mighty All People's Congress, the APC. I'm not here to trade his candidacy. I'm not here to support his candidacy. But what I want to say, the words them way if they project or if they trade in candidacy or they tell people them in candidacy out na kono, they move me. I think any reasonable person of the party go look into them thing then they and series and say, you know what, we need for reckon with this particular person. We need people like this. The 2018 elections, we never lost the elections. But things them way what a man measure into in candidacy where it trade or where go put in candidacy out to people them. Now then things here so will be fail for take into consideration and play complacency we make the election we able for protect the people's them vote. We allow NEC for go ahead, make polling centers them. We allow NEC for do the nonsense where they want for do. Fix them polling center then they in their own places then where they want for put where they want they discourage people them for go vote. NEC do all the rubbish. At the end of the day, we win the elections, but we are not, in the position to make sure we protect the votes. We win the elections, but the election in winning one not reflect into the results in pronouncements, because we not be able to look into them 4 stages them here. So when what a man measure them things here say now, are they come out because of this thing? Why are they come out for this position? It's because of what happened yesterday. NEC then go they make polling centers then in different far way discourage people them. NEC they make things then we not be know how many polling centers then we not be know this. So I sit down and listen a view. And not me and I say we need people them like them wire. We need to welcome people them like them where they aspire for certain position like this. We need for encourage them. We need for rally behind them. We need for support them kind people here. We get them kind things here. Because these are the stage 1 things them where they make we able for say we don't win elections. But if we're not able for do this preparement, we not get people them. We get the mental IQ. We get that thought. Say you know what? Let me begin for do this particular thing at this 1st stage. For protect the people's vote tomorrow. It's a big problem. And all what we need is things like this, is thought like this. And we not only need them to be that vocal, but we need them to be in practicality, for them to be into practice. These are the things we need. These are the people we need at this particular time. Not only where they say them, but they put them into practice. So these are the people where we will begin for support at this particular time. We will begin for look into the census. We will begin to look into how NEC they build the system. We will begin for look how NEC they put the polling centers them. We will begin for look into all those things them where what a man measure into in candidacy. This now a very serious matter. This way the executive for look into and to Congress members them. These are the people where we need for get certain position in the party like where they aspire for. Now this thing be make Dr. Matthew Wilson Samora Kamara been talk one word where many SLPP folks them they go and play into that word. Well, I on this particular word today. You are on a patient listen this, yeah? I say now the last one this. When Dr. Matthew Wilson Samora Kamara, journalists them be the interview on AYV with other mediums them, SLPP go around and talk say Samora Kamara say if you don't win the election it affects. When a patient to SLPP then go around and say Samora Kamara say if you don't win the election it affects into that interview. Other than cause all this, now the bad journalism within our country, short as the AYV. AYV go, the subterfuge that particular video, the statement them where he make, they do them in the favor of SLPP. They abstract that part there, then go, they make sure say they not bring down the entire the entire interview from how it starts all, they not bring and come, but who will get the opportunity with you will see everything. So I will explain the cartel now. I mean, only in the field say the SLPP, maybe the supporters then are the normal kalu and get sway. Not knowing say, even the reckless bingo boy Madabio, the man kalu is stupid, and I see him say this now a very reckless man. When he joined them for make that statement where they call APC say supporters of APC or the APC political party now a terrorist political party, then Dr. Matthew Wilson Samura Kamara, the APC flag bearer, talks say if you not win the election, he go fet. Now they annoyed me head. I say Madabio na kalu guy. Na kalu guy, this guy not serious. Now me fambulem. Now tell you now what happened into that video. Let una get this video. If AYVR challenge them, then no say na man. All the journalists them where they did in that country, let them present that video. The video from how it starts. Dr. Matthew Wilson Samura Kamara then interview him. He been there and talk, and when he been talk, he not talk and identify his own person. Say me, Dr. Matthew Wilson Samura Kamara. Una all this swallow. He not say me, Dr. Samura Kamara, as the flag bearer of APC into this election. Dr. Samura Kamara talk in the layman perspective, in the layman idea, in the layman thought, in the layman philosophy, or in the layman knowledge. Then Dr. Samura Kamara been the talk. So he suit himself into the layman thought. Yeah? Now, he said the system when NEC don't make, he said a very rogue system. He said people get doubt in the system. He said for them when they will come as observer, he said myself don't be an observer in the international community. I don't work then can work here, we all don't work together. But me no work bad work. He said so I know when they come, they influence them thing so. He said the layman, we don't rally, don't come out with the people, them don't see the numerical number, don't see the support, don't get everything in Ramsey. He win the election, then the election result when they pronounce, it not reflect into the layman in thought. He said, I go fet. He said the election result not come to me on, I mean, me idea or how I want. He said, I go fet. He said, if I don't believe the system don't rogue, na rogue system, na crook system. He said, I go fet. He know say me, Dr. Matthew Wilson Samura Kamara, if I not win this election, he said, I the fet. Una bring that video AYV today, I, Emmanuel, at the challenge una, all the journalists then they would have been there into that particular interview. By Yansane bin Tinap na inside, una bring that video out. If Dr. Matthew Wilson Samura Kamara say, me, Samura Kamara, if I not win this election, I the vets na this country, I the vets, una bring and come out. I challenge you now. But if they explain in the layman perspective, what I mean here, like where it explain on, like say on behalf, okay, like that man where they send that Juman or that boy, where they don't come out, they don't go support, they don't rally, they don't dance, you don't see how the APC don't pull crowd, how the APC don't go vote. Then at the end of the day, there is a crook or a rogue system. We don't go to first rounds, the system don't crook. Then the layman no go believe that one day. What thing go happen? Say, no, this election, for Biso. I not feel free and fair with this election. Then they go read the results. The result in outcome one, not reflect to what in that layman they think. He say, I go fet. You understand? It means say the layman go fet. He no say in Dr. Samura Kamara go fet. When I bring that video out. So when Madabio bin go sit down, me talk that kalu talk dey. I see and say this guy na kalu guy. So things then like this today, for let we not begin for see the system again saying a rogue system, a crook system, we have to put mechanism in place with people and when they come with idea today for make sure say they want to put them things here so into practicality. So my heart was electrified. I've been in a very joyous mood when I watch that video and I feel good about it. So it's all left with you, comrade member sympathizers. It's all left with you, delegates. These are the people and where we want. These are the people and where we need. Forget the idea. From the primary stage, we've already set things them now. But if we fail, we'll not set them things here today. We'll not get people them where they into the executive wing. We get them knowledge here. We get them taught here. I'm afraid it's a problem. And what's the problem? We need to protect our votes. If we not get system at this particular stage, we go protect the people's vote, we go protect the people's voice, we go protect the people's mandates. I'm afraid we need to get the system, we need to get the people who get the knowledge, we need to get the people who get the idea and put them things also into practicality. I want to say plenty thank you to we all, and for you whether disseminate and you beautiful and wonderful comment them way you make. Remember, say this program come to you under the courtesy of the Rising Sun, and we bring this program to you. My name is Emmanuel. Let we stay safe and let we stay blessed. God bless we all, and God bless Mama Salud. Thank you.